for Moni for this morning at 2 a.m. because she was reading them off. I'm like, we do that purposely
just
for
to
you.
get you.
Just to get you.
Yes. Well,
Teasing,
this one I have to say, set sail on a wave of comfort.
I love it.
With this. This is the Quacker Factory Anchors Away French terry sweatshirt. So you're getting that great comfort of the French terry. It was new yesterday. It is our only order of the year. So when it is gone, it is gone. I will keep reminding you, it is freshly February.
Yes.
$53.98 is this price. 3 easy payments of $17.99 will get this home. Length on this is 27.5 inches to 33.5. 95 cotton, 5 spandex. Super, super comfortable. I'm actually getting distracted by how comfortable it is. Now, this is your dark navy option. Then we have our lipstick red.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, we have our white option. We've got the great red, white, and blue.
Yes.
This also matches back perfectly to the pants that we have. If you want to pick up these pants, which we'll be showing you in just a little bit, 3 easy payments of $33.65
yes.
for the whole set. I absolutely love this, and I am dreaming of just being on a boat somewhere with you.
Right?
You
can hear the seagulls.
Hear the seagulls, maybe sipping a cocktail, your favorite beverage.
I love it. So this, you know, we love the anchors. This is a perfect time of year where a lot of the designer brands do that bridge collection, which is like a tropical collection, a cruise collection. So this is that. You get the ship's anchor, the wheel, and the roping done in a combination of rhinestones, and there are a few studs in there as well. They're all kissed on, so nothing itchy scratchy underneath. Now, I know that sweatshirt is in the title, okay, but I want to let you know that this is our really pliable and soft French terry. So this is not a sweatshirt that has a fleece lining.
Right.
This is not a thick and beefy sweatshirt like we do in the fall. Okay, this is a very wearable piece, perfect for those cool evenings by the pool, you know, perfect on those cool evenings if you're going on a cruise, if you like to go, you know, my husband and I like to go to the Caribbean in the winter.
Ooh, yeah.
Just a little getaway, just to refresh.
Get a little sunshine.
A little sunshine, a little vitamin C, S-E-A, a little vitamin C, S-E-A.
I'm out of here.
Chip-chip-popping. Tip your waitresses.
Tip your waitresses.
I'm out of here.
I'll be here all night.
I'll be here all night. I'll be here all night. No, but you know what I mean. So it's just that fun. I almost texted Ann today to say John and I are on together tonight. But a mutual friend of ours.
Oh, she would have had a field day. It's my theater director from growing up, who is very good friends with Angel. And now Angel and I have joined
together.
teams.
I know, so exciting.
Now, I have to say, as we talk about the vitamin C,
please,
as we talk about wearing this for those summer months, but even now, it's what Angel was saying. This is a sweatshirt without any of the weight.
Yep.
You are getting that delicious French terry, but when you see sets like this, the price point at stores with a door, we're talking triple digits.
Absolutely.
The fact that you can get this for 3 easy payments of $35.65 for the sweatshirt and the bottoms that you can separate and wear with other pieces you have, this really is that elevated look.
Yes.
Oh, I love the combination of the different.
Isn't that cute?
Yes, especially
it's adorable.
4th of July.
Right. Well, you know, John, I have to say, you know, when you were a child watching us, I don't know if you recall, we used to do sets all the time, tops and bottoms, multiple wardrobers, you know, cotton fabrics, you know, everything has gotten, you know, very expensive to do. So to give you that look and that feel, we now do some separates, right? But here's the benefit of having these available separately. You, our fabulous customer, get to customize what size you want on the top and what size you want on the bottom.
Right.
Because doing all those top and bottom sets, we learned not everybody is the same on the top and the bottom. So like Pat and I, we prefer a larger top on the top and a regular size on the bottom, right? So, so for me, I would get a 2X in the sweatshirt because I like it roomy if I'm throwing it on over a bathing suit, if I'm throwing it on over a t-shirt to go watch the fireworks somewhere.
Oh yeah.
You know, and then the pants, I don't need them larger. the 1X is perfectly fine. So you get to customize how you want it to look. Of course, Blair's looking fabulous as always, but she would really look fabulous in that blanket draped around her. So let's be honest.
Truly, she's just
a
walked
beautiful
in
girl. Yep.
tonight, and I was like, she's in her winter parka. She looks gorgeous, but I have to say, she looks cruise ready in this. This is what my new phrase where I'm saying, buy the sweatshirt now, book the cruise later.
Thank you. I like that.
Only order.
Didn't you just say that? You said that on
I
a video.
said it on
that
a video
highlight
that I
video.
just posted
Yes,
on
yes. Oh, I have one I'm going to post. Wait, do you see it?
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.
I kind of posted it on my TikTok already, but I haven't, because I don't do much on TikTok. I just watch, but I just posted it because a friend of mine sent it to me, and so I will post it on my Instagram and my Facebook later.
I
But
have
it's
to
just a
find you on
really
TikTok.
something funny I did earlier today.
Oh, I can't wait to see
Yes.
it. Now, this is the only order of the year. Sale price of $53.98. New yesterday. Do not miss out on this because it is something that will live in your closet and will become a staple. These colors are perfect for those summer months, but this is going to be that transitional weight as well that you can start wearing right now to get that nautical feel.
Absolutely.
This is your dark navy. I have to tell you, the dark navy is super popular. Friend to friend, don't wait on this. Then we've got our lipstick red. I love a little pop of red.
Me too.
And then the white. I
Yep.
mean, this is
Classic.
super classic, but
Yes.
chic as well. I mean, if you wear this white number for 3 easy
Fabulous.
payments of $35.65, you are going to look like $1,000,000. You are
Yep.
going to look like you were just yachting.
I mean, seriously.
And you could be on the comfort of your own couch.
Love that. Watching your favorite movie.
Yes.
You know, like I love Overboard. The original,
I
of
had
course.
a feeling you were going to say that.
The original.
I love Overboard.
So fun, right?
Love Overboard.
Yep.
This truly is, this is your Overboard moment from the
Yes.
comfort of your own home. It's item number A681268. Sale price of $53.98. It was new yesterday. It is our only order of the year. Get that nautical charm. It is a sweatshirt look without any of that weight. And if you have fallen in love with our sweatshirt, don't you worry because we have the perfect match to it in those pants.